not even sure कि क्या होगा and like had no idea. Hello, mic check. लाइफ में अगर आप पहला कदम नहीं उठाओगे तो मिराकल्स कैसे आएंगे? How you will be able to enjoy the miracles in your life which God has kept for you? On that note, guys, this is Kalyani Mejre and the YouTube videos name is It's First Time for Everything. First time, first time. We all have first day in college, first day in gym, first day in school, first for having a boyfriend, first doing kiss, everything, first proposing, everything. So it's first for everything. So this is what I chose. Ki let's ask my audience like, what should I do on YouTube? Like for real, in this YouTube channel of mine, I have posted multiple things. Firstly, I posted Bharatnatyam video, thinking कि यार ये है content, ये मैं डालूंगी, मैं अपने लोगों को बताऊंगी, सिखाऊंगी भरतनाट्यम steps, and it's a classical dance form which I have learned thinking that I'll be able to teach. But after making few videos and posting them, no, this is not my cup of tea. I'm not liking it. This is not something I have keen interest in. Then I switched the topic. I switched the topic to vlogging, where I'll be just posting a random stuff on YouTube just for the sake of posting it on the YouTube. I posted couple of videos. I don't know how much, 4, 5, 6 maybe. And then I was like, not even vlogging. Like, let's see how things take shape. But then I deleted everything and it's a brand new YouTube video where I am speaking, being a motivational speaker, I guess, telling you all guys it's first for everything and you need to work on, just do whatever you feel like, you just get that audacity, whatever you feel like, just keep on doing. I'll be telling you the story जहाँ पे मैंने एक लड़के को प्रपोज करा था लाइफ में. आई प्रपोज अ गाय इन 9th स्टैंडर्ड एंड आफ्टर दैट टिल डेट I've never proposed a guy. Trust me when I say this, I've never proposed a guy. Why? Because I got rejection on my face for the first time. Yeah. तो कहानी शुरू करते हैं. तो like I was in 9th standard and there was this cute chocolate boy and everyone was swooning over him. All girls liked him so much and he was really very cute and pretty. Very charming personality which would captivate any girl. And every girl really liked it and I was one of them. So I used to stalk him firstly. मैं उसको stalk कर रही थी कि देख रही थी कि यार वो कैसा है, उसके photos कैसे हैं, वो क्या करता है दिन में, stories and all that. I used to stalk him a lot and afterwards, I just got that audacity to just follow him. Like follow back आता है नहीं आता ठीक है भाड़ में जाए पर मैं follow करूँगी. And he gave me a follow back. And he gave me a follow back. I was like on cloud 9. I was on cloud 9. He have given me a follow back. I am so happy. Everything is gonna be fine. Now he will be my boyfriend or at least friend. I have no problem. But let's see. But at least we are following each other. Good. Keep it up. So I was extreme level का happy, extreme level का ecstatic I was. Then we started the conversation and we had a good conversation and at one time I replied I texted him, will you be my BF question mark? And his question was best friend or boyfriend. कुछ भी बन जाओ यार, मतलब मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तुम मेरे लाइफ में रहो, मुझे यही चाहिए बस, तुमको जो बनना है बन लो. But he was like, I was like, it's okay, just do whatever you are comfortable with. That's what my reply was in accordance with that text. He was like कि अभी मेरे अभी मेरा ब्रेकअप हुआ है, मेरे गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ मेरी बात बिगड़ गई एंड आई ब्रोक अप एंड आई जस्ट नीड सम टाइम टू मूव ऑन, सो आई वोंट बी एबल टू डेट नाउ, आई नीड टाइम टू आई नीड टाइम टू मूव ऑन। ठीक है यार, मतलब तुम मेरे से बात भी कर लो, वही बड़ी बात है, तुम इतने सुंदर दिखते हो, तुम मेरे से बात भी कर लो तो कोई बात नहीं यार, डेट क्या तुम, वो तो मैं तुम्हें बाद में पटा लूँगी, कोई बात नहीं। बट बाद में दैट वॉज काइंड रिजेक्शन ओनली टू मी, राइट। तो लाइक आफ्टरवर्ड्स मतलब हमने थोड़ी बातचीत करी एंड लाइक ही घोस्टेड मी, टू बी ऑनेस्ट। he ghosted me afterwards and पता नहीं वो क्या मेरे बारे में सोच रहा था, he didn't paid much interest, he didn't have much interest in me and that was completely fine. It's okay, you can't have, like, you can't ensure that everyone has interest in you, it's completely fine. It's not required that every person has equal interest in you. There are special people who will have and there aren't will not have. Completely fine, accepted, कोई ना बात नहीं। फिर 5 years later that guy came back again to me and he was like like all other guys, he was like even flirting, you're so cute, gorgeous, I was like you in my life first time I proposed and you declined. He was like no, I was silly at the time, that kids are silly, just don't pay attention, you are cute, what if we date and all. So this was the story. It's okay if he declined my first proposal, got rejected, that's okay. It's fine, it's completely fine. If that person is meant for you, it will come back to you. This is what it is. तो लाइफ में ऐसा होता है कि कभी आपको चीज़ चाहिए होती है, नॉट हैपेंस, यू आर जस्ट गिविंग इट ए ट्राई, गिव इट अ शॉट एंड टेक अ चिल पिल। जो हो गया देखा जाएगा, क्यों इतना सोचना है उसके बारे में, जो चीज़ हमारे हाथ में है ही नहीं। अगर उसको मेरे में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, इट्स ओके, नो वरीज, तुमको जिसमें इंटरेस्ट है तुम चले जाओ, कोई बात नहीं। मेरे लाइफ में अगर तुम होगे तो तुम वापस आओगे। ही केम लिटरली, आई वाज लाइक शॉक्ड, दिस गाय हैज कम बैक टू माय लाइफ आफ्टर 5 years. So if it's meant to be, it's definitely gonna happen and trust me for this. एंड या लाइफ में फर्स्ट होते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा फर्स्ट होते हैं। तो मेरा ये फर्स्ट भी बेकार गया था जहाँ पे आई गॉट रिजेक्टेड ऑन माई फेस। दूसरी कहानी आती है जहाँ पे मैंने एक बहुत बड़ा ब्लंडर करा था, वो भी 700-800 लोगों के सामने। जस्ट इमेजिन, स्कूल टाइम की बात है। इट इज़ अ स्कूल टाइम thing where I was doing a narration. There was one event and I thought that I'll be doing narration. So I was standing at the podium and I was doing the narration and it was going perfectly, and there were like literally 700-800 people in audience and I was doing a narration at the podium. Just imagine that to 12-13-year-old. It happened in 7th standard. So जब इवेंट था वो सब मैंने अच्छा करा, ओके, वो सब मैंने अच्छा करा। फिर उसके बाद आया, लास्ट में होता है राइट, प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सेरेमनी। सो एट द एंड इन द प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सेरेमनी we have to call out the names, the narrator has to call out the names, and the whoever the prize winners are, they'll come on the stage, they'll take the trophy or whatever certificates or medals and they'll walk away. So I started taking name one by one and I took couple of names, like 4-5 or so, and there was one girl's name like XYZ Shirsat. Okay, it's like XYZ Shirsat, XYZ Shirsat, and I mispronounced and I spelled it like XYZ. उसका नाम मतलब XYZ मतलब ऋतुजा रख लो, ऋतुजा सैराट। And trust me when I say this, when I said that word Sairat, everyone was bursting in laughter in that, in that room, in that like we could actually hear everyone was laughing terribly because मैंने सैराट बोल दिया था उसका सरनेम। सिरसाट से I said Sairat, okay? And Sairat is a very well famous blockbuster movie in Marathi language. And everyone was making fun of me. अरे ये लड़की ने क्या बोल दिया, वो भी सबके सामने, and she didn't prepare. I got the list like 5-10 minutes prior and I just did it. It's okay, I made a mistake. पर मैंने बोल दिया सो बोल दिया. जस्ट इमेजिन मुझे कितना लगा होगा. लाइक एवरीवन वाज मेकिंग फन ऑफ मी, दे वर लाफिंग एट मी. कोई बात नहीं यार, अभी इस टाइम पे इज देयर एनीवन हु कैन थिंक कि मैंने वो टाइम पे ये मिस्टेक करा था? इज देयर एनीवन हु कैन थिंक दैट? ऑब्वियसली नॉट. इट्स जस्ट मी हु इज थिंकिंग कि यार मैंने ये ब्लंडर करा था एंड आई फील okay, I made a mistake, it's fine, I made a mistake, I made it. हो गया, done. But at least I did that narration, and that is not something which is, I didn't pull myself back. I was always like, ठीक है, I'll work on it, I'll try my best, level best. And फिर मैंने बाद में भी narrations करे, ऐसे नहीं कि I did stop it. I never stop. I just keep going, learn things, and this is my first narration where people were actually laughing at me, making fun of me. Okay? And और एक स्टोरी, एंड इसके बाद मैं बंद करूँगी ये वीडियो, क्योंकि मैंने इतना ही स्क्रिप्ट में लिखा है कि मैं इतना बोलूँगी. तो ये 2 इंसिडेंट्स मैंने बता दिया है. अभी तीसरा इंसिडेंट है जो था एक क्लब का. मैं फर्स्ट टाइम एक क्लब में गई थी. Actually, it was a normal event where Sunny Leone was gonna come, and I was so much excited. I was extremely exuberant, ebullient to see her, because till date मैंने कभी किसी सेलिब्रिटी को नहीं देखा है, कभी नहीं. I've never watched any celebrity till date. Okay, ऐसे जाने माने ऐसे big celebrities I've never watched. So ये बात है फर्स्ट ईयर सेमेस्टर की. So फर्स्ट ईयर सेमेस्टर में मुझे समझ में आता है कि मुझे I hear this that Sunny Leone is gonna come at this Pune's Koreoga Park's club, and I was extremely I was extremely क्या बोलते हैं, energetic. I was extremely excited to see her, to at least see her by naked eyes. बट मेरा हो गया पूरा पोपट, क्योंकि वो आई ही नहीं. आई वॉज with that energy, I went there. I was like, ठीक है, I'm gonna come, when she's gonna get, I'm gonna see her, I'm gonna meet her, at least watch her naked eyes. But she didn't turn up. इतने उम्मीदों के साथ हम गए थे, पर वो हुआ ही नहीं. तो it's like that only. Life is all about first, where it can be messy, it can be awkward, it can be creepy, it can be embarrassing, but it's okay. YouTube पे अगर किसी को नहीं लग रहा है मेरा ये वीडियो, it's okay. It might be like I need to work on few things, and I'll work it. I'll definitely try to make sure that in next videos I'll try to work on those things, ensuring that I try level best, I improve myself. Just give it a shot, try. If you fail, come back, improve yourself, and then do the same thing again. If you are not fulfilled, if your wish is incomplete, try to complete it. Because मुझे regrets बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. I don't like regrets. Later on you are crying over spilt milk, which was like कि यार मैंने ऐसे करा था, वैसे करा था. टाइम चला गया है. अब तुम सिर्फ बातें ही सोच सकते हो, बातें कर सकते हो. It's not something you can do or you can change right now. So if time is in your hand, work accordingly, use it accordingly, and let's see. अगर किसी को अगर कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम आता है, प्रॉब्लम नहीं बोल सकते, अगर किसी को मेरे बोलने से बोलने के तरीके से प्रॉब्लम होता है, कुछ भी होता है, प्लीज टू ड्रॉप इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. आई विल बी हैप्पी टू रीड and try to improve myself in the upcoming videos. I'll be definitely trying my level best. Plus अगर आपके लाइफ में अभी यहाँ तक अगर मेरी बातचीत सुनी है, तो अभी तक अगर आप मेरी बातें सुन रहे हो, तो do tell me your first in your life which was creepy or something like which you feel like sharing. Do put it in the comment section. I'll be happy to read it, and there'll be no judgments. Okay, no judgments. Don't worry for that. On that note, guys, we are gonna end this video, and I hope ये जो है फर्स्ट टाइम फॉर एवरीथिंग मेरा फर्स्ट हो गया है. अभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में ये सेकंड होगा. सो इट्स डन फॉर द डे. आई होप you like the video. Do press like, subscribe, share, and whatever things are there. Do it, and meet you in the next video, guys. Love you. I hope you got some inspiration. Break a leg and keep going. Everything is gonna be fine. Just get that audacity to do whatever you feel like, whatever. Just give it a try. जो हो जाएगा हो जाएगा. Just give it a try, okay? चलो bye guys.